guys, and welcome back to DIYs with Emma, and today I'm going to be showing you my store-bought slimes on Etsy, and in a few days some of my other ones are coming because these are the ones I ordered so far, except this was my very first ordered slime. So I'm going to start with this slime because this is like my first slime and I wanted to review this one the most, and it's a cloud cream and I haven't played with it for a while. And it's called Cotton Candy Ice Cream. I'm pretty sure I did this in one of my videos and showed you this one. But this one is a cloud cream, which is, it's really soft. It's like really good slime. And the slime store is Sunken City Slime. And the person that makes it is really good with the scents. That's like my favorite thing at their store because they make it super good. Okay, so the next slime I'm going to be reviewing is this slime right here, and it's called Iced Coffee. And the scent I chose, because there was tons of scents for this, I chose Caramel Coffee, and I'm so excited. And it is super cute. It has the Starbucks little charm. Here, guys, it's going to be super satisfying. So the next slime is this watermelon jelly slime, and all the foam is at the top. And I waited for a while for you guys to get the foam on the top, so I'm super excited. So here is the foam. Oh my gosh. Okay. And it smells so good. Slime is this Coca-Cola slime from Jackie K Slimes, and sorry I didn't say the other Slimers. I forgot because I get sidetracked and stuff like that. So yeah, this one, the container's hard, so guys, it takes a second to open this one, but guys, look at the beauty of this. Oh my god, it smells so like the thing. And it looks so real towards the Coca-Cola, so here it is. This is such a glossy and stretchy slime. I don't normally poke it, but I poke it in this container, and it's so satisfying. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a sort of short video, you know. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to get more of my slimes, so I am going to see you tomorrow when I get my slimes. Bye!